When Donald Trump and the people that he appoints tear down the Department of Education, when they take away funding, which is their goal, from kids across this nation who deserve to be able to get a good public education, and in particular from some of the most vulnerable people in our society, and we're talking about people who are disabled, people who have special needs, special education. When you take away 10 to 12% of the funding for education across this nation, you're damaging what we can do for our people here in the state of Illinois. Parents, students, we're all about lifting everybody up. If the federal government's not going to be part of that, truly they are going to damage the future of the people of Illinois and the future of this nation.
You know, we could talk about equity, you could come at me with equity, but how can you do that? How can you preach that when you're trapping poor kids in failing schools? You guys care more about your bosses and the teachers union than you do about doing the best things for kids.
Unfortunately, Representative Wilhour and I disagree on this fact. We believe that equity is excellence. I think his statement is that we have too much equity and not enough excellence. And I said, well, aren't the two synonymous? Don't they go together? All the work that we're doing to stand up schools in the state of Illinois is about making sure that we can do both, Representative, that we can do both.
That is right. Fight back. If they hear from us, and if they hear us loud and clear from teachers and parents and students and their voters, we can beat them back. But we're going to have to fight for it. Are you ready for the fight? IEA, are you ready for the fight? Let's go get them, everybody! Let's go beat them!